Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to remove the factory reset protection from the Alcatel OT-A466BG, alias known as One Touch PIXI Unite 4G from TrackPhone Wireless. We have here one such phone, so I'm going to power it on. So, as you can see, the phone is requesting for the account that was previously synced on this device. Without it, it's impossible to access the phone menu. So in order to remove this, I'm going to use OT Smart from the pack 6 of FuriouSGOLD. So I'm going to power off the device now. I'm going to select from here the correct model. So PIXI Unite 4G, and from the operations box I'm going to select FRP reset, and now I'm going to press connect. Once the software starts searching for the phone, I'm going to insert the USB in the powered off phone. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected. So that's it. In only 2 seconds, the factory reset protection got successfully removed. So time to check this. going to take a while till the phone starts, but hopefully everything is okay. So as you can see, it's not requesting anymore for the all the count, so we can skip this. Skip. So this is all. As you can see, we are already in the phone main menu. So the FRP protection got successfully removed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.